Amidst the woodlands of Europe and Asia, a delicate silhouette moves with grace. This is the RoeDeer, a creature of quiet elegance and fascinating behavior. RoeDeer, known scientifically as Capreolus capreolus, are among the smallest deer species. Adults rarely exceed a meter in length and stand only 70 centimeters at the shoulder. Their distinctive black muzzles, large expressive eyes, and dainty hooves lend them an almost ethereal beauty. They thrive in diverse habitats from dense woodlands to the open edges of fields, always favoring areas where they can retreat to safety at a moment's notice. Unlike many deer species, RoeDeer are predominantly solitary. Mature males, or bucks, fiercely guard their territories in summer, marking boundaries with scent glands and vocalizations. Females, or does, tend to form small, loose groups with their young. These bonds are fleeting, as RoeDeer are most comfortable alone. When threatened by predators, does often employ a clever distraction technique. They will move away from their hiding fawns and intentionally draw attention to themselves, leading the predator away from their vulnerable offspring. Bucks use their antlers to rub against trees and shrubs, creating marks known as frayings. These not only serve as visual boundaries of their territory, but also leave scent from glands in their antlers, sending a chemical message to other deer. RoeDeer are most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. This crepuscular behavior helps them avoid the peak activity times of many predators while making the most of cooler temperatures and lower human disturbance. Male RoeDeer shed their antlers annually in late autumn and regrow them over the winter. During regrowth, the antlers are covered in a velvety skin that provides blood supply and nutrients. This velvet is later shed, often dramatically, as bucks rub their antlers against vegetation. In addition to their sharp barking sound, RoeDeer have a high-pitched whistling call, often used to warn fawns or other deer in the vicinity of potential threats. This whistle is unique to RoeDeer and adds a distinctive layer to their communication repertoire. During the harsh winter months, RoeDeer may temporarily form small, mixed-sex groups, a behavior unusual for this otherwise solitary species. This communal living likely helps them conserve energy and share food resources during a challenging time of year. Despite their small size, RoeDeer are excellent jumpers. They can effortlessly leap over obstacles such as fences or fallen trees, a skill that serves them well in navigating their fragmented habitats. Newborn fawns have an instinctive behavior to lie perfectly still for hours, even when approached, relying on their camouflaged coats and lack of scent to avoid detection. This behavior is so ingrained that fawns will rarely move unless directly touched. RoeDeer demonstrate remarkable adaptability in their foraging habits. They can distinguish plants with the highest nutritional value and will avoid areas heavily grazed by livestock or other deer, ensuring they have access to optimal food resources. The RoeDeer possesses a remarkable adaptation to late implantation. After mating, the fertilized egg pauses development for several months, ensuring that fawns are born in late spring when food is abundant. Each doe typically gives birth to twins, though single births and triplets are not uncommon. The fawns are born with dappled coats, their camouflage an essential defense against predators. The RoeDeer, with its quiet resilience and seasonal rhythm, embodies the subtle wonders of nature. From its delicate movements to its ingenious survival strategies, it reminds us of the beauty that thrives when we look closely. A symbol of adaptability and grace, the RoeDeer truly is the spirit of the forest.